Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 17 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today is the first time that we enter seated sequence. You might be slightly relieved about that if you've been working from standing. So we're going to be looking at a posture called Dandasana. So we'll be getting up some nice warmth in the body through the Suryas to prepare us for this seated posture. So let's begin with the opening chant. Make sure that you feel grounded, steady, and connected to the breath. And take a breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charna Ravinde Samdash Satsva Svara Pote Nashte Se Jankai Kayamani Samsala Hala Hala Muha Shantye Abahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. Samasthiti, using your base, Surya Namaskar A. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Remember all your options. Exhale to dog. 1. So just settle into this first one, test the waters. 2, assess the situation, see what you need to do. 3. It's important that we stay flexible in how we practice. 4, this is much more important than the flexibility of the body. And 5, look forwards, inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Remember, you can bend your knees, stay happy. Inhale to lift. Exhale, arms to the side. And again, ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale, fold. Svini, inhale, lengthen. Chatvare, exhale, and lower. Elbows in. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Sham, exhale, downward dog. 1, so your downward dog might be a child. 2, it might be just letting go of the head from seated. 3, establish your drishti, remember your bandhas. 4, firm the muscles of the legs if you're in downward dog. And 5. Look forwards. Supta, inhale, come through. Ashtal, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, all the way up. And exhale, Samasthiti. Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back, Utkatasana. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Right leg, remember, inhale, right leg, palms touch. Remember your options. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Do really well. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1, steady the breath. 2, bring your knees down as you need to. 3, maximize the breath. 4, and 5. Look forwards. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti here. We've got one more. Hope you're ready. Inhale, sit back. Exhale to fold. Good. Trini, inhale, lift the heart space. Chatvari, exhale, chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Sha, exhale, downward dog, right leg. Supta, inhale. Ashta, exhale, and lowering. Nava, inhale, lift the chest. Desha, exhale, downward dog, left leg. Ekadesha, inhale. Keep up as best you can. It's okay if you're behind. Vadesha, exhale, and lower. Sayodesha, inhale, back bend. Chatvadesha, exhale, downward dog. One. I hope you're sweating a little. I am. Two. Just a little heat through the body. Three. Even out the breath, relax around the jawline. Four. And five. Look forward. Pancha, Disha, step, jump, jump. So, Disha, hold. Supta, Disha, sit back. And exhale, Samasthiti here. Well done, everyone. Vinyasa to Dandasana. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Remember, you can bring your knees down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. So inhale, look forward, step, jog or jump through to seated. So you might do a little jog through so you can sit down. You might sit down, however, you might jump through, weight to the shoulders, and then stretch the legs out. So sit nice and tall. You might shift the glutes back. You can find your tuberosities. These are your sitting bones. Yes, it is a real word. If your arms are shorter, you might have them slightly forward. I've got really long arms, so I'm going to take mine further back. Or they might be directly underneath your shoulders. Active toes, so draw the toes back. Good, try and sit tall, not forward, but tall. Inhale, press into the hands, draw the shoulders down. Exhale, sink the chin towards the chest. One. So the bandhas here really help you to stay in this upright position. Two. We've also got a stabilizing force through the shoulders by pressing down. Three. We've got firmness through the legs. We've got that squeeze of Mula Bandha. Four. If it's difficult to straighten the legs, now you can bend the knees and just come up onto the heels as an alternative. Good. Problems with the wrists? 4.5. Just don't press so hard. Have a little hinge of the elbows. Good. And 5. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. So here we enter the first of the vinyasas from a seated position. I'll show you some options here. So it might be you just take your legs out to the side and then come back to your all fours position and do your vinyasa from there. So if you've been doing an all fours vinyasa, that's a nice option. You've been doing a standing vinyasa, you hide your feet, so you tuck your feet away, roll over if this doesn't bother your knees, and then step back into your plank position. If that's very easy for you, you might roll and then jump rather than step back into your plank position. Be aware of how your back feels. So you take any of those options. From seated, your vinyasa is the same. It's the upward and the backward action. Yeah, so that will be your vinyasa throughout seated. So vinyasa to the 3 lotuses. From here, take your best option. Come through and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, step or jog through as we set up for Baddha Padmasana. You know the drill. Arms behind the back. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, folding. 1. Relax the back of the neck. 2. Begin to settle into the breath. 3, 4. So remember, 5. And I'm counting a period of time. 6, that doesn't necessarily correlate to your breathing pattern. 7. So as long as you're breathing evenly, you're just breathing for a period of time. 8. And just take the fold forward to wherever is best in your body. 9. So we're not doing the yoga Olympics, just do what's best. 10. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. So Padmasana, straight lines of energy. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, chin to chest. 1, 2. Everything begins to slow down. 3. You can begin to enjoy the heat that we've created from the practice. 4. And enter more of a meditative state. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. You know it? To lift up. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. Looking forwards. 2. Spread out your fingers. 3. Your hands become your feet in this posture eventually when you lift up. 4. Always look forward. Stay confident even if you don't feel it. 5. Your whole body may be shaking. That's all right. 6. It should be shaking in this posture. It's difficult. 7. Our task is to stay calm amidst the difficulty. Can you stay calm? 8. We're nearly there. If you go down, then come back up. 9. If you're down all the whole time, just keep engaged. 10. Exhale, release. Good. For those of you trying that step back, jump back combination, you can try this again. Hide the feet. Stepping or jumping back. And coming down. Chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And exhale, lie all the way down. Woo. So open the palms, swap your ankles. Big inhale. Exhale. And again, big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. Letting go of Bandha, Dristi, Ujjayi, and the count. Resting here for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, just press the pause button. Otherwise, begin to deepen the breath. As you bring some movements to fingers and toes, moving the head slowly from side to side. And then when you're ready to, take an inhale for a full body stretch. Exhale to let go. Bending at the knees, bending at the elbows as you draw the knees in for a squeeze and a rock. Noting any changes as you roll over your body, your mind, your breath. Feeling how just 10 minutes of practice a day can really set up your day, can reset your mood, can leave you feeling stronger from the inside out. So then gently lever yourself up. Coming to comfortable seated, sit tall, bring the hands to Anjali Mudra, lengthen the spine, feel the breath in the heart space, and then gently bow the head as we give thanks for our health and our practice. Inhale to lift the prayer hands up, exhale to center, namaste. So thank you for practicing with me on day 17. I hope you can keep up the momentum, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. If you enjoyed the class, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for every class that's coming up. Find me on Instagram for lots more yoga inspiration.